Local news for Thursday the 27th of June. Wairarapa Eggs has launched a New Zealand first. Packing for their eggs is now 50% made out of grass. And a locally developed industry-led source assurance program will set the bar for consumers by enabling them to trace their eggs back to the farm they came from. TraceMyEgg.co.nz launches next month. The council, Masterton Council that is, has decided to move to the final design phase for Lower Queen and Park Streets, with Park Street set as a priority for the first project to be constructed. The Masterton District Council has adopted its annual plan outlining key projects and activities for the 2019-20 year. The plan also confirms a smaller than forecast average rates rise of 4.35%. Good news for the Wairarapa DHB. An engineer's report received by the Wairarapa District Health Board indicates the newly strengthened services and mechanical plant of the ceilings of the hospital has achieved a 100% seismic rating. And in sport, the fifth round of the New Zealand Enduro Champs takes place at Bideford this weekend, and Celtic are top of the local netball competition after 4 rounds. They'll play fourth place Carterton Legends this weekend.